Once again, dudes, my name is Emil, and welcome to another XHTML tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna have about something in XHTML or web design and generally called Textareas. So basically, you might think, well, we're going to be building a tag that we know, but it's probably gonna be TA. But no, it's actually gonna be text area. Go ahead and fill that out. So we have some attributes we can use, but let's go ahead and run this and see what we have. You can see we have like this small box where you can type in I suck balls, right? But we can make it more customized. We have something called calls and rows, and basically this decides the size of our text box. So if we make this like 400 times 600, you can see we get it pretty fucking big, right? So of course we can go ahead and change that. First of all, go ahead and remove 1 0 codes. We'll not be working with hundreds at all, and that won't never be necessary. So you can see here, this ain't legal. But what if we made a little rotation here? Let's see. It's almost there. Maybe remove something here. Remove something here. Let's see what we have now. Right. Maybe add something here. Probably subtract and subtract here. We'll see. It's getting better. That should be pretty equal. Alright, so you can see it's equal, so we gotta do something to move it in a direction. So you can tell that the rows goes down, but what does the calls do? But let's add some calls and see what happens. As you can see, it starts moving in this direction, so we can add more calls and it will look more equal. So now I want to tell you some options you can have, and you can decide how to make it look yourself, of course. Find a good combination for you, but in between here, let's type in something. Type in a little bit about yourself, right? So if we save this and run, let's see what happens. Basically, the text comes out here, so you know what to do, basically, what this is about. So we can tell, well, my name is Emil, I love cookies. I spelled that totally right. So, we have some few options to do with this text area. Of course, let's go ahead and see what happens if we add the color attribute and say it's like red. I want to make a little space here because I feel like it. So you can see it doesn't affect the text area. Now, if you want to do this, there is a good language called CSS out there. And by the time you look at this tutorial, there ain't any right now, but you can probably see a series called CSS tutorial. Click on that and gain learning. But this is basically text area. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.